So I'm looking out the window and all I see is snow. It's not really ideal for a boat mechanic to be working outside now. It's been snowing like crazy for the past couple of days. I would rather sit in here and drink my cup of coffee. Which I'm doing, but I need to go out there. You see, before Christmas I did as many services as I possibly could. I just didn't have enough time to get through the last few. So I just winterized them so they could withstand the cold weather. And now I have to go back and do a proper service. You want to join? Let's go out there.
Så Paul, hva det som skjer her?
I'm thinking.
Are you sinking?
Yes.
Oh no.
What are you thinking about?
Hva tror du, Rolf? Båten hans synker.
Hey, day.
Har du fått kjørt den båten her noe særlig, eller?
10 minutter.
10 minutter?
Vi kom ut dit, så må du ro tilbake. Det var det.
Og her ligger den.
Her ligger den.
So the next project is to get a gearbox that we had overhauled at a different company, and we just received it back from them. So now the plan is to put that gearbox on the engine, but in order to do that we need to get it inside the boat first, obviously. But we have a ton of snow and ice all over the place, so we got to move a lot of stuff, get rid of the ice before we can get the gearbox inside the boat. Se der, vet du. Det noen sak?
Det fagfolk.
Da det aldri noe problem. Alright, we managed to get the gearbox inside the boat now. We connected it to the engine, and despite all the snow and ice, we did it. So I'm very happy about that. Now, we started on this job some time ago when the customer came in. He obviously had a big problem with the gearbox. We soon discovered, or suspected at least, that the slats inside the gearbox were broken. That's sort of the mechanism that helps you propel the boat forward or backwards when you use the gear shifter. And this gearbox is a bit special, so we don't fix them ourselves. We need a specialized company for that. So we delivered it to them, and they finished the job, and now we finally have the gearbox on board the boat. So this is a job that Rolf will mainly continue doing. What I'm about to do is office work. So I think I might as well end this episode right here. Hopefully you had a good time watching. If you enjoyed the channel, remember to give me a like. And if you will, you can subscribe. Alright, I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.